Panther installation at Burnpur, a subsidiary of Indian Railways. Technocrats Plasma Systems Private Limited proudly presents a new feather in its cap, the installation of CNC plasma machine at Burnpur, a subsidiary of Indian Railways, at their Burnpur plant. This machine has a working area of 6.5 meters length and 4.5 meters width. Equipped with Technocrats Plasma Power Source Kali 200, this machine is capable of cutting up to 70 mm thickness mild steel or stainless steel plates. It is provided with state-of-the-art computer-based CNC controller with a touchscreen panel for easy operation. It also has a full-fledged QWERTY keypad and mouse for ease of operation. The drive panel is equipped with high-precision AC servo drives, digital input and output cards, solid-state relays and MCBs for safety. The X and Y axis are driven by precision servo motors, high precision machined rack and pinion, coupled with high precision low backlash gears, which enable accurate movement. Similar high precision rack and pinion arrangement, along with linear motion guide, enables smooth and accurate movement on the Y-axis. All cables are routed through cable drag chains. The CNC controller is loaded with a nesting and CAD software where different profile shapes can be created or imported through pen drives or LAN connection. The cutting sequence can be simulated on screen. Several such profiles can be nested to ensure minimum wastage. The nesting software can generate codes in different formats including ISO, ESSI, EIA, etc. One unique feature of the Panther machine is the piercing sequence. Before it starts piercing, the plasma torch moves down, touches the plate to ensure the zero level, and then moves up to a programmed piercing height, initiates the plasma arc, and after completion of the piercing time, moves down to a programmed cutting height. Let us look in detail. Now we can see the Panther machine in action, doing the actual cutting of the nested parts. The cut quality of the nested parts is a function of several variables. For example, the current chosen for the given thickness of the plate, the cutting speed, precisely maintaining the cutting height, which is done by arc voltage control method. And last but not the least, meticulous selection of the components that go to build the machine. With precise control on all these parameters, Panther provides excellent cut quality with extremely high accuracy of cut parts. Panther is an extremely versatile CNC-based machine which can be used for profile cutting as well as strip cutting with a single or multiple torches using plasma or oxyfuel.